Guys, once again, I'm not in Main Street and Broadway. I'm at a different intersection. We'll be crossing East Whitney Street and Medellin Avenue. So yeah, somebody lighted up this LED for no reason. So as you can see, we'll be crossing Whitney Street. But for some reason that green light's on and that red sign is not even coming up. But alright, I guess this one's out of default right here. Alright. I guess it's not even true. Ooh. Didn't mean to press it too hard. I meant to. Like, weird how it's not working. There you go, walk sign is on. Alright.